Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of Echinacea purpurea, also known as purple coneflower. This popular herb is well known for boosting the immune system and offering a wide range of health benefits. So if you're looking for natural ways to support your health, stay tuned as we go over the amazing benefits of Echinacea. First, let's talk about Echinacea's most famous benefit, boosting the immune system. Echinacea helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections like colds, the flu, and other respiratory illnesses. This herb can really strengthen your body's defense mechanisms. Second, Echinacea can also reduce cold and flu symptoms. Research shows that if you take Echinacea early, it may shorten the duration and severity of these illnesses. It's especially helpful during the cold season as a preventive measure. Next, Echinacea offers powerful anti-inflammatory properties. This can help reduce inflammation in the body, making it useful for conditions like arthritis and skin irritations. Also, Echinacea is packed with antioxidants like flavonoids and psychoric acid, which help protect your cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. This means it can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases over time. Now, let's move on to how Echinacea can fight respiratory infections. If you have bronchitis, sinusitis, or even a stubborn cough, Echinacea may help relieve symptoms like sore throat, congestion, and cough. Additionally, Echinacea's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties make it great for treating skin conditions like acne, eczema, and boils. It promotes faster wound healing and helps reduce the risk of infection. Another fantastic benefit is that Echinacea has antibacterial and antiviral effects. These compounds help fight off both bacterial and viral infections, making it beneficial for treating minor infections and keeping them from spreading. Also, when applied topically, Echinacea can improve skin healing. It works wonders on minor cuts, burns, insect bites, and other skin injuries by reducing swelling and speeding up recovery. Next, Echinacea may help lower blood sugar levels. Preliminary research suggests it could be useful for individuals with type 2 diabetes, though more studies are needed to confirm this. Echinacea also has potential anti-anxiety effects. Some studies show that it may help reduce stress and anxiety by calming the brain and promoting relaxation. Now let's talk about oral health. Echinacea can be used as a mouthwash or included in oral care products to help with gum disease, reduce plaque buildup, and soothe inflamed gums due to its antibacterial properties. Also, Echinacea promotes healthy cell growth, which contributes to overall healing and tissue regeneration in the body. This makes it great for wound healing and overall recovery. If you suffer from urinary tract infections, Echinacea's antimicrobial properties can be a helpful support. It may assist in treating UTIs and prevent recurring infections. Echinacea can also help with allergic reactions. Its anti-inflammatory properties calm the immune response and reduce inflammation, which can help with allergy symptoms. Echinacea supports the lymphatic system, helping to detoxify the body and promote better circulation. This enhances waste and toxin removal, keeping your system clean. Now, some studies suggest that Echinacea may have cancer-fighting properties. By stimulating the immune system, it may help the body eliminate abnormal cells, though more research is still needed in this area. Feeling tired? Echinacea may help combat fatigue and exhaustion. Many users report feeling more energized after incorporating it into their routine. Finally, Echinacea supports digestion. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects can soothe digestive issues like indigestion or upset stomachs, improving overall digestive health. And there you have it! Echinacea purpurea offers a wide range of health benefits, from boosting your immune system to improving skin healing and even supporting digestion. It's a fantastic herb to add to your natural health routine. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.